Hello, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Karen Klipp from the Lake Geneva Coldwell Banker office, and the property you're about to view today is 2233 Knob Road.
Welcome to North 2233 Knob Road in the quiet town of Lyons. Travel down the rustic road and to the long private driveway to find this exquisite country estate. The home is surrounded by mature trees, is beautifully landscaped and surrounded by woods. The home was built in 1998 and is located on about 26 acres. There are floor-to-ceiling windows which open up views to the outdoors. The home features a spacious living room that includes a fireplace and incredible views. The ceiling in the living room, the backsplashes in the kitchen, the space above the fireplace, and other areas of the home features original artwork that was created by an artist out of Milwaukee. Enjoy the views of the property from one of the many outdoor porches. There's also a screened-in sunroom connected to the dining room. Enjoy every modern convenience in the Gourmet kitchen, which includes granite countertops. There are 4 bedrooms and 4.5 bathrooms in the home. There are 14 total rooms and 4 spaces for cars in the garage. The large master bedroom includes a large master bathroom and a walk-in closet. Enjoy a movie with your family in a theater room. Stay in shape in the fitness room, and after working out, blow off steam in the sauna. There are hiking trails that circle the property. Located immediately next to the home at 2229 Knob Road is an equestrian facility. Equestrian enthusiasts will absolutely appreciate the thought that went into the design of this facility, from the footing in the arenas to the overhead fan down the aisle. There are 6 Woodstar rubber matted stalls, 4 with individual turnouts to dry lots, and then open to large grassy paddocks with electric Centaur fencing. One of the oversized stalls is a birthing stall. The facility also includes a wash area for the horses, an office, full bath and a tack room, and space for hay and grain storage. There is a large indoor arena and even bigger outdoor arena. Potential buyers can buy the home, the equestrian facility, or both properties. To find out more details, call Karen Klipp at 262-903-4455.